hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Combo Bear Show, and today, wala unleashing a kit. Yeah, as I know, it's only one, but it's big. It's in the big box, but I know it's a small kit. Yeah. So without further ado, let's go with my rusty but still trusted hobby knife. Let's unleash this, and yeah, let's go. Let's unleash. Okay, so we're done with unleashing, and before you will see the kit, I will announce that this is a premium Bandai. Yeah, it's a premium Bandai. Apologies again. I've got a great spot for this one. As I know, there are three of this. Yeah, there are three of this kind. And the first one is the red one, and then the next is this one, and then the other one is something green gold kind of color. Yeah, and I'm talking about this kit. Ooh, and this is your OZ06MS SR2 Leo R. And as I know, the Leo S is the first one, which is it's a Leo in something very magical kind of commander type kind of Leo. And red, yeah, as I know it has a lance, as I remember, lance or a sword, a fencing sword. And then this is your Leo R, which is a Leo in like a Sailor Moon type of Leo right there, as you can see. And then our Leo N, yeah, as I remember, Leo N is something big kind of, tough kind of Leo. Yeah. So this is from the After Colony, but as I know, this is from the what After Colony. Yeah, they don't specify it, but yeah. It's still on the part of the Gundam Wing universe. It's from the AC or the After Colony, and it's not on the anime. It's on the manga, but still, it's a nice kind version of Leo. Yeah, and a Leo. So a Leo with a long hair, because it's like it's like this one. It's like with the other Gundam, which is from the Gundam G Fighters, and it has this kind of weapon. What is this weapon called? It's a wide range. What is this? What is this weapon? A beam dual lancer. It's a lancer. Dual lancer. Yeah. Okay. It's a beam lancer. Beam dual lancer. Yep. And it's a premium Bandai. So I get this in the premium Bandai. I think it's only 800 pesos in the premium Bandai. But if you will buy this from the other sellers, which we can call them scalpers, it's already 1,600 or 1,800, which double or a little bit 120% up of the price. The Leo S, I think you can buy it for 1,000 pesos. But if you go to the other scalpers again, I think it will go for 2,000 to 2,500 pesos. Then the Leo N, the lowest price that I saw for the Leo N is in the scalpers and the sellers, okay, is 1,500 to 1,400 pesos. 1,400 to 1,500. But yeah, there are some also that goes for 1,800. But I think Leo N, you can only buy the Leo N for 800 to 900, which is a little bit same price for this Leo R. Okay, but yeah, Leo R. Let's open a little bit for this one. Oh, I like the gold. Yeah, I like the gold one. The beam, yeah, it's nice and it's safe, man. It doesn't even have any bubble wrap inside, but the box of the premium Bandai is very nice. That's why. Oh, it's not white. It's something blue-green right there. Blue-green, whitish gray, something like that. And it's not black also. Something blue-gray or something blue-gray black ash color for the inner parts. And we only have 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 packs. So that's why it's not so justifiable that you will buy this for the price of 1,600 to 1,800 pesos. But because it's from the premium Bandai, that's why it can really cost on that price because of the rarity of the unit or the model kit. Okay, so yes, that's it. That's the Leo S. Leo R rather. Leo R. Yeah, our Sailor Moon Leo. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you like this kind of video content. So if you like it, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell inform for our next videos. Okay, so for now guys, thank you so much for watching. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpowder Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out.